the St. Lawrence. It sounds like it's named after some extortionate gastromolecular tasting concept restaurant the critics all rave about, that your boss suggests you go to for a team meal when it's your turn to pay, and that also includes a 40% service charge. And just to add, I made up that restaurant, and this is really a simple drink which really grew on me. The ingredient lineup: bourbon whiskey, maple syrup, fresh lemon juice and Angostura bitters. We're going to kick this one off by adding 2 ounces, so 60 ml of our bourbon whiskey. Follow up with 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of our maple syrup. Then add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of fresh lemon juice. Then lastly, I'm going to be adding 3 dashes of our bitters. Add ice to our shaker and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. I couldn't find too much history in this cocktail, but it seems it was created by Michael Butt back in 2001 at Soul Shakers in London. I've tweaked the recipe slightly by omitting simple syrup, and I've just upped the amounts of the maple syrup and the lemon juice. Double strain this into a rocks glass with a big ice cube. Garnish this with a lemon peel. The taste test. I really like this one, and I'm not a big whiskey fan, but this works really well. It's on the sweet side, but it's smooth. The lemon and the bitters balance it out. I really love these simple style cocktails, and this is a great lounge type drink to have in your arsenal.